All right, we got a taxi down here for the coal train. He's picking up the crew down here. All right, thank you. All right, 3092 at ES44AH. And that one's 3269. Let me get down here and read it. ET44AH. And there's your coal train. Alright, he's untied his brakes down. They're going to park this one here. They'll recrew it later. I'm going to wait on the crew to get off. Maybe I can talk to them. Alright, got crew coming off the engine there. He done knocked off the brakes and rolled just a little bit. They're checking to make sure the brakes are holding. I missed that, but fully loaded. The cooler so you can last 12 hours on this train. Sometimes they take a little bit longer. How you doing today?
What's going on, Patrick?
Oh, nothing too much. Filming y'all.
Oh, shit.
How long y'all been working?
We went to work at 3 o'clock in the morning.
They went to work at 6 o'clock, y'all. They've had a long day. They're tired, ready to get home now. Hey, do you have a train number so I can put it on here?
E90428.
E90428. All right, thank you. I haven't learned all the new names yet.
Oh, yeah, I understand.
That's the trash. They clean the locomotives when they finish with the day. So they got to clean all the trash off. He's got to make sure all the paperwork's filled out like I talked about those log reports and stuff. Let them know that there's no complaints or anything to be fixed. He must love his job. He ain't one to come off that locomotive, is he?
No, we just got some time break. He walking up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he walking up now.
Let me ask you, the little box up there next to the draw head that's got that little cable coming out that says high voltage, what's that about?
I think it's a jumper cable.
That's all it is in the jumper?
Yeah, I think it's this right there.
Okay, well, we just educated the whole world. We're on YouTube.
That little red box inside. You had to do it in the cab.
It's right up there next to the draw head. You can barely see it sticking out. It's got a wire, 2 wires coming out. One of them's just a plug-in for it, you know, to keep it from getting dirty. Yeah, I had the engineer last night. He said, well, that goes all DPU locomotives have, and I haven't seen it on all DPU type locomotives, DP locomotives, what y'all call them, right? Distributed power. But, you know, I mean, he said that's for them. And I said, well, if you got DPU and he's on the bottom end, that cord ain't going to reach, so I don't know what, you know. He kind of got upset, told me I had to go, so I don't bother him too much. Well, you know, he probably 8 hours bringing in the auto racks last night. He's probably ready to go. And I'm just holding them up. I didn't mean to. All right, I'm going to pause y'all for a second. All right, that's my mystery box there. Nobody knows what it is, y'all.
I got it. You got it?
All right. All right, I am. Oh, lock her up. Let me back a little bit more. Man, that law's giving him some time. I need to oil them things. All right. They just now finding out that lock was broke. He ain't getting it. All right, there you go. Long, hard day, huh?
Patrick, oh yeah.
Yes, sir. How you doing
Ride
today?
from Atlanta to here and get off. Yeah, it's a hard day.
I hear you. All right. All right, loading up. Now getting ready to go to Greenwood so I can get off work. I've been at work since 6 o'clock this morning, y'all. And I forget what time it is now. It's about 2 o'clock, so they've been going for a while. About 8 hours, I believe. Y'all like the railroad, but you can't get a job on the railroad. Taxi driver needs you. You can get out and watch a bunch of trains that day. But they don't pay much. All right, God bless y'all. Y'all have a good day. And I'm out of here. All right, they gone. Going to Greenwood, finish the paperwork, and go home. All right, love y'all. I'm filming taxis pulling off. All right, bye.